What's up guys, it's Romeo from WebOriginal. Welcome to the first video in our Kali Linux video series. Some of the course objectives that we're going to be covering will include our virtual lab setup, reconnaissance and scanning, vulnerability analysis, finding exploits in our targets, password cracking, and a lot more. So if you guys have any questions throughout the series, just leave a comment in the comment section below, or you could go over to WebOriginal.info and leave your questions in the forum. So we're going to try to have as much fun throughout this video series. I don't want to call it a course because it's supposed to be fun. So yeah. So I'm going to try and go over as much stuff as possible. Some of the videos might be a little bit longer than others, based on the topic that we're covering. But I'll try to make it as short as possible where I can. If you guys like the videos and wanna go over to WebOriginal.info and support us, please do. You don't have to, but it would mean a lot to us if you did. Yeah. And we're just gonna try to have as much fun as possible, try new things, and explore Kali Linux as best as possible, and learn as much as we can. So let's just jump right into it. So you see here we have our Metasploit machine. We have two Windows machines on our Windows 2008 server. So the Windows 2008 server we're going to be using as our domain controller. So if you don't know what that is, that's basically the main machine that is in charge of all the other machines within the domain. It gives out the IP addresses, which we're going to configure our DHCP server. So it will give us the IP address for our Windows machine and every other machine that's within the domain. That's basically what it's for, just to control our virtual environment. So we need to increase the attack surface on our Windows machines. So we're gonna install SNMP on our Windows machine, just so that we have some more ports open. So to do that, you just follow me in the video. And all my videos are in 4K, so if you guys are like on a small screen and you can't see exactly what's going on my screen, just make your screen full screen and you'll see better, and increase the video quality, and then you should be able to see everything. So when we're done with this, we're just going to go over to our other Windows machine and do the same thing and increase the attack surface on that one as well. Oh, another thing that we have to do to our previous Windows machine is to remove the firewall settings. So we're going to turn off the firewall. That will just increase the attack surface of our Windows machine. So now we can go over to this one as well and go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. Let it load. Then we're gonna scroll down to the bottom where it says SNMP again. And remember to check WMI SNMP provider as well, and then click OK. So by doing this, more ports will be open on our Windows machine. So when we do the Nmap scan or ZenMap or whatever scan that we use in the future, then we'll see more open ports, so we have a greater attack surface of our Windows machine. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn off our firewall. So we're gonna turn off the firewall of our Windows machine as well. So we're gonna go to firewall and turn off on or off firewall. Let's turn it off and close. So now that we have that all configured, we're gonna restart both of our Windows machines.